So our biggest challenge was, we had a bunch of different lead sources, but we had no way of automating them to get them into the system. So we would get the email, but the only problem is we'd have to have the loan officer go in and manually input everything. But what Mailparser was able to allow us to do is send those emails directly to Mailparser, and then Mailparser was able to integrate with our CRM through Zapier, and we were able to automate our leads coming into our system using Mailparser.
Mailparser has been a game changer for our business, especially when it comes to managing the incoming leads that we get almost on a daily basis. So Mailparser has allowed us to take the leads that we get in and automatically send responses to people without us really having to do anything. It pulls out the necessary info that we need so that we can create an email response to these leads. It has saved us so much time and so much headache, and it has really changed a lot of my daily work.
Love the fact that Mailparser has an immediate crack at figuring out what it is that you're trying to pass from an email. A lot of the time it gets it right, and it's the things that we're looking to pass, so that makes our lives very easy.
Simply, I recommend it because it works, right? It's one that I have full confidence in, that my emails are going to be received, my automations are going to work, and my integrations are going to work, and there's going to be no hiccups throughout it.